here is the image of the sea turtle laying eggs in the pit holes. In both the images, which we can see very clearly how they make a pit and where they lay the eggs. All business of gathering turtles' eggs and killing turtles is carried out in a secret hush-hush manner. This information was distressing. We began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. As we were lacking in the experience regarding the sea turtles, so we first undertook the study of the turtles. We contacted institutes that work for the protection of the turtles in India. Next step of launching a turtles protection campaign at Velas Taluka, Madangarh, district Ratnagiri. This was done with the support of the Forest Department. As we can see in the image, children, protection and conservation of the turtles and their nest was on the priority level done by these volunteers, and these volunteers came to know that the people of the villages, common people who come secretly in the morning searching for the sea turtles' eggs and killing this turtle's egg, either they kill it or they are being eaten by these people. So this was a very upsetting news for the volunteers. So they thought it very seriously and undertook the project for saving or conserving the turtle's egg and their nest too. So for this sake, they first did the detailed study and they went to the institutes who work for the protection of the turtles in India. They contacted them and they invited as many ideas they can from them. And then another step they took was the support of the Forest Department, which was given by the Forest Department to these volunteers. With the help of the common people, some common people who became willingly volunteers with the help of the Forest Department tried to save as many nests they could. It was possible because of these volunteers. In this image, you can see in the first image, children, the nest which were being saved by the volunteers as n number of hatchlings walking towards the seaside. As they are being saved, they have come out of the eggs and they are walking towards the seaside. In the second image, you can see the Olive Red Lace One Big Step Velas Turtle Festival. So this is from April 6th and 7th. Dates are also given on which month it is being organized here for the people around the world. They come here. Not only from India, I am telling children from around the world. Foreigners, most of them, they come to see this turtle festival. And in the third image, you can see many of the audience or the people who have come to see this turtle festival, how they n number of hatchlings walk towards the sea. Here is the image of the Velas Turtle Festival, which has been organized every year for the people around the world to come and enjoy this turtle festival. N number of hatchlings which come out of the eggs together and walk towards the sea. As a part of a campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look after for the turtle's nest on the beach morning. When they came across a nest, they had to remove carefully the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit, but one protected with wire fencing. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent thefts. In the first year, we could successfully protect only 50 nests in this manner. When the babies hatched out of the eggs, what an event it was. So we can see in the image also, children, here. See, in the first image it is shown very nicely how the local people are engaged in looking after and taking care of the eggs which are in the pit. And you can see in the second image how carefully the eggs have been removed from out of the sand and how carefully they have been placed. And after they have been given the full protection and caring is been taken, those hatchlings come out in n numbers and walk towards the sea. In the third image, what we can see. So in this campaign, local people, common people were appointed to look after the turtles. By this ways, those who were doing the stealing and all, they came to know the priority and the importance of saving the turtle's egg. And that's how these common people, local people were engaged in the saving the turtle's nest from the depths. And how this was been done? By doing the wire fencing. It was being given the protection so that nobody could steal away or take away the eggs. And like this, in the first year, the volunteers were successfully could save 50 nests, each nest holding round about 100 to 150 eggs. So like this 50, so n number of babies they could save with children. The whole village rushed to the beach to witness the spectacle. What an ovation they received from onlookers. Some of the elderly villagers confessed that though they had seen right from their school days, it was the first time they had seen hatchlings rushing to the sea. When the tiny turtle hatchlings hurried across the silver sand to meet the rolling boundless sea. So we come to know, your children, villagers from all the side of the village rushed to the beach to see this scenario. What a scene it was. They all were standing and waiting for the hatchlings, the baby turtles, to come out of the egg. And that was an amazing scene for the people. Some of the people who were elderly, who were very old, they said they had seen the eggs of the turtles since their school days. But hatchlings they could see, it was the first time in their life they could see since the days from their school days. And all the hatchlings coming out at the same time, small baby turtles, walking towards the sea, walking through the sand and mixing up with the sea water, rolling among the boundless sea waves. This was an amazing scene which was being seen by the whole village. Whole village rushed to see this amazing scene, children.